Okay, I couldn't not record. Starting off, Leaf Energy, all scratched up. All the, and the dent, I don't know if you can catch it. Let me see, right there. Alright, all the other cars are good. Taurus to start this off. More Pico, more Pego, Larbatot, Blood Bug, TM Machine, a Hippo, in the moon. Meditate. Oh my god, that's why I wanted to record it. I'm like, you imagine I get it when I don't record it. Misty's Lapras, baby. Is this a double hit? Oh my god, we got it from a one-pack magic from the vending machine. The vending machine got the hits after all. And I got it. Okay. For a second there, I thought we were going to get like a full art. Misty's Lapras off the one-pack magic. The vending machine got the goods. It looks pretty good. It's kind of like the corner is like kind of like rise, like an indentation upwards, but no whitening. Misty's Lapras.